Hi everyone, my name is Idil and welcome to Idil's Kitchen. In this episode, we are going to make the ultimate grilled cheese sandwich. But first, I wanted to take you to a town called Ayvalık in the Aegean part of Turkey, where they make the best grilled cheese sandwich ever. We are gonna taste it here, get our ingredients, go back to Istanbul to the kitchen and make the ultimate grilled cheese sandwich. So we are now at Aşkın Tostevi, which is a very small shop here in Ayvalık, and I've already started eating my grilled cheese sandwich because I pretty much can't resist it. The cheese that they use is special. It's called Tulum cheese, and they use sucuk inside and some tomatoes, pickles, and a little bit of mayonnaise, and the bread is very tasty as well. I really liked it. So now let's buy our ingredients and go back to Istanbul and make our own. And we are back in the kitchen to make the most famous Turkish grilled cheese sandwich ever. So, I've got my bread from Ayvalık where we were before. I've got some tulum cheese. This is special Turkish cheese. It's quite hard and quite salty. And I would like you to use something similar because it does add a great taste. And this is the sucuk. And I've got some pickles, tomatoes, mayonnaise, and some butter, obviously. So what I'm going to do now is first I'm going to slice the cheese and the sucuk, and as you could see there, they slice it really thinly, so I'm going to try doing the same. This should be enough. And the sucuk as well. Sucuk again is something that's very Turkish. We eat it a lot for breakfast. It goes great with eggs. You can use salami instead. And that should be enough also. So, I usually do this on a grill as well, but because they did it in toaster, in Ayvalık I'm going to use my toaster. Sometimes I do it in the grill, sometimes I do it in the toaster. So whatever you want, you can use it. And I'm putting the bread there, and I'm brushing the bread with some melted butter. Flipping it over, I'm going to put some in the inside as well. There's something magical with grilled cheese. It's so simple, but always so delicious. Now I'm adding the tulum cheese. And if you have, let's say, provolone cheese on hand, do add some salt at this point. And I'm adding the sliced sucuk. And now the top bread, I'm again brushing it some with melted butter. Putting it on top and pouring the remaining butter. In total, I've used about a tablespoon of butter. That's quite enough. And now I'm going to toast this until the cheese has melted. And now we're going to put some tomatoes, pickles, and mayo, and that will be that. The cheese has melted and it smells amazing right now because of the butter. And now I'm opening it up. I'm putting some mayo. You can add in a ketchup as well, some mustard as well if you want to. I'm adding pickles, thinly sliced. And again, thinly sliced tomatoes. And that's it. Let's cut it in half. Just look at that. It looks so good. And now, my favorite part, let's give it a taste. It looks amazing, it smells really good too. Tastes really good too. Like I said, there's something special with grilled cheese. It's very simple, very fulfilling, and very delicious. And next time you do it, do try with a salty hard cheese and some sucuk, and you're definitely going to like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I share a lot of easy, wholesome Mediterranean recipes. I hope to see you next time. Bye!